Hello everyone, this is LilBeez series book and this is UKG kit. First let me show all the textbooks. English textbook, English practice book, math textbook, math practice book, EVS textbook, EVS practice book, Kannada book, Hindi textbook, and LilBeez rhymes book, LilBeez story book, and at last LilBeez color book. LilBeez English textbook this. In this we will cover all the alphabets, phonics, and even in this we have alphabets. Children can wear, they can trace it. And there are many activities in this and missing letters too. And this book contained vowels. This is vowels and they have shown you A. We can see how the mouth is opened here. A, E. Our mouth will also open. So children can learn from this easily. And there are activities. This is A sound words. So addy words, all this is. All these are vowel sound words, O sound words. Like that, in this we have many content, so children will identify and write. This is A sound words, so teacher will teach this one. So this is a puzzle words. We can match all this. After this, we will give this practice book to home. Even here, children will have a practice. They will write A sound words. Then LilBeez math textbook. In this, we have concepts, numbers, everything is covered. So, in this concept, children will learn the short, tall concepts, everything. In this, we have some activity. So, closed, open. So, here children will learn what is closed. The children will circle the closed eyes. In the meanwhile, we will give the math practice book to homework. Here also, they will have some homework like this. Heavy, light, short objects, they have to color it and mark it. LilBeez EVS textbook this is. In this book, they will contain everything. This is a theme book. Family, first is about me and then about family, and meanwhile my school, and this is mixing colors. In this, children will learn the mixing colors. Red, blue and red makes purple. The same way, if we'll teach, the children will also match it and they'll color this butterflies and they'll write the colors in this. After this, we'll give this textbook in classwork and EVS practice book to homework. Here they have some activity and we have given a codes here so that children will not color some other things. They'll use this codes and they'll color this fan, and they'll even learn the colors by writing this homework. And then LilBeez Kannada book. In this, we have Swaragalu and Vanjanagalu. It is covered. It is only a basic thing. In this, patterns are there. First, we'll introduce patterns for children and then we'll go for letters. same Hindi book. Even here, first all they are very new to this book. First they learn the patterns in always, and then we'll introduce them letters, how to write. It is easy. There is many tracing letters here, so children will learn by this. Introduction of letters, this is. And LilBeez rhymes book. And this rhyme book is also connected to EVS book. Here in every month we'll have a theme, so it is connected to that same thing. And here it is very colorful, where children will be catchy. They can use this action words and all. They'll be very easy to catch the rhymes. It will not be difficult for them to learn. And this is LilBeez storybook. In this, many stories are there, and even they have highlighted the main things of this story. So children will learn the letters also, because it is a UKG book. So children will learn the new words. So it is highlighted in red color, and in each and every story there is a moral. So children will know what is the moral of this story. It is a content. So the pictures are very clean, so children will know how the story is connected to that pictures. And last, LilBeez color book. Because it is a UKG book, children will learn, they know many colors. So many colors are there, it is already printed, and children will see this and they will color it, so that it will be easy for them. The teacher will write a date and send this to home. Next day the teacher should give the marks according to this. In this they have written no assistance, partially assistance and full assistance. Without assistance we have to put a tick mark. If it is little, they have helped, so here you have to do. If parent is helped to write all homework, here you have to tick this. So it is very useful to parents, whether parents and teacher, whether the child has done the homework by itself or himself. It is very helpful. Last but not the least, we will get a lesson plan for every month, where the teacher will be getting the lesson plan, and it will be easy to cover all the portions and the activities to be done in the class for the children.